Need hot water on the go? Meet the QRA-GJBM Travel Electric Kettle, your ultimate portable companion for tea, coffee, or a quick meal, no matter where you are. This lightweight beauty holds 15.2 ounces and weighs just over a pound, perfect for travel, the office, or even your carry-on. And don't worry about spills. The leak-proof design keeps your bag safe. With 4 smart temperature presets, from 113 degrees Fahrenheit to boiling, it's never been easier to brew the perfect cup of tea or coffee. And the auto shut-off feature? That's peace of mind built in. 300 watts of power heats your water in no time, and the double wall insulation keeps the surface cool to the touch, safe, fast, and BPA-free. Elevate your travel game with the QRA-GJ-BM Travel Electric Kettle. Click the link below to grab yours today. Why settle for questionable hotel kettles? The Sakare Travel Electric Tea Kettle is here to revolutionize how you brew on the go. Choose from 4 precise temperature settings, perfect for black tea, green tea, coffee, and more. The LCD display shows you exactly what you need. Narrator. Its upgraded vent prevents pressure buildup, so you can boil water safely with the lid closed. Plus, the anti-scald double wall keeps the exterior cool and your water warm. Weighing less than a pound, this portable powerhouse is ready for your next trip, whether it's to the office or across the globe. Want clean, safe hot water anytime, anywhere? Get your Sakare Travel Electric Tea Kettle today. Link in the description. Tired of waiting in line for hot water? The Tuxila Mini Electric Kettle makes it easy to brew your way. Anytime, anywhere. Tings on the LCD screen. Narrator. With 4 temperature presets, from 113 degrees Fahrenheit to boiling, this kettle isn't just for tea. Use it for coffee, baby formula, or even instant noodles. It's fast too, boiling water in just 9 minutes. And when it's done, the boil dry protection ensures it shuts off automatically. Made from food-grade stainless steel, it's safe, durable, and easy to clean. At just 8.66 inches tall, it fits perfectly in your travel bag. Ready for the perfect travel companion? Get the Tuxila Mini Electric Kettle today. Click the link below. Meet the A. Armsen Travel Electric Kettle, where style meets performance for your hot drink needs. From coffee to tea to baby formula, this kettle's precise temperature control means perfect results every time. Plus, the Keep Warm feature lets you enjoy hot water for up to 12 hours. Need hot water fast? In just 5 to 7 minutes, you'll be sipping your favorite, and the child lock feature ensures safety at all times. Narrator. Weighing under 1.3 pounds and with its own carry bag, this kettle is a travel essential. Upgrade your travel routine with the Armsen Travel Electric Kettle. Click below to order yours now. Stay hydrated and caffeinated wherever you go with the My Casa Travel Electric Kettles Mall. Powerful and oh so convenient. From 113 degrees Fahrenheit for baby formula to 212 degrees Fahrenheit for boiling water, the preset options make it simple to get exactly what you need. Plus, the Keep Warm feature holds your water at the perfect temp for 12 hours. Its innovative vent prevents pressure buildup, while the double wall design keeps the outside cool to the touch. Compact, lightweight, and easy to clean, this kettle is perfect for the office, travel, or dorm life. And with boil dry protection, safety is always a priority. Simplify your routine with the MIICASA Travel Electric Kettle. Click the link to grab yours today. Below to order yours now.